people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be giving you guys maybe a brief also about my driving series. Okay, so actually this is something that I've been feeding you guys with. It has so many parts, but at this moment I can't even remember the last part we're into. Okay, I think the last part was the part of me going to driving. After that part, I told you guys that I haven't started driving with this crew. Okay, so and which is kind of weird, but with the reason that I know it wasn't that weird. Okay, so it was great. So on the 22nd of March I started driving with the school. So far so good. Me and school, we have driven for 8 hours now, and even today, this evening, I still have driving with them. So today is 11th. I still have 11th of April. I still have driving with them by 4:30. So today's driving is going to make it in total 9 hours driving. My husband actually paid for 18 hours driving with his school. On the first day of the driving, I told you guys that me driving with someone is a good idea so that it can remove the spirit of fear. Actually guys, there is no difference. Okay, it's still the same thing. There is nothing that changed. Oh my god, like you guys won't believe it, I still cried. I still cried. I mean, my teacher was like, oh my god, look at me, listen to me, you need to listen to me, pay attention. I was crying because why was I crying? I started the car and the car moved. I was like, it's moving fast, I was moving fast. So the teacher was like, do what I asked you to do. You don't need to be afraid. And one thing I thank God for is that the teacher is so nice, kind, but my legs did not shake. That's the good part of everything. Okay, so it was amazing though. So I paid attention to him, although that first day was so like it wasn't it. So the second day, which was on the 23rd, I went for driving again. And that day, before I leave the house, I took courage. God gave me courage. God gave me strength. God gave me power. Okay, God consoled me all through the night. Could you guys imagine that first day of driving, my teacher teach me how to revise. The second day, he still teach me how to drive. So I went for driving. I didn't cry anymore. And he was like, yeah, this is the courage we need, not that of yesterday. Now I can revise. He teach me so many things. Okay, I actually like their teaching. Their teaching is so good, very easy to understand. I don't have anybody that can drive me around, that can teach me. That was why he paid for me, so that I'll be able to go to exam as soon as possible. That will be in another video. I'm so excited about it. There is nothing much. The good news and the good part of it is that now I can drive. I can drive with confidence. I can drive without mistake. But the only thing that I'm still finding difficult is stopping when people are passing, what to do when a car is reversing, how to go down the lane, because in this Italy we have hills. Climbing the hill is very easy, but going down is kind of fast. Okay, so I think that's where my fear is, but my teacher has already instructed me on what to do. As soon as as soon as I'm doing that, he always tell me what to do, how to do it, the next things, because he always sits close to me, and which I am so happy. Any moment we are almost finishing the whole hours, I may go to exam. There is nothing much to update you guys. It's just that my fear is gone now. Okay, I can speed. You guys remember that video, the video where I put the clip of me driving? I didn't use actually accelerator. I did not use accelerator. I only use tether and brake in that video, because I did not speed it, so I did not use the gas. But now I can use the gas, which is the accelerator. I can use the gas well. I know how to use it. I know how to speed. If I'm in a clear road, I speed and without fear. So if I want to reduce my speed, I remove my gear from the gas, then and take my break. So now I can drive perfectly, but not that perfectly well, okay? So, and that's basically all. I'm so excited. The people who they put me on pending for, those people, they went for the exam on the 21st, and 3 of them they passed, and I'm happy for them. And I said to God that that is the courage I want to pass like them, and I believe that my heavenly Father will never let me fail. He that made me to cross the first bridge will also help me to cross the last bridge. Yes, I am so excited. Oh, I can't wait to be a cow now. I can't wait to be driving, and most especially driving my kids. I can't wait, guys. Like, I can't wait. I'm so excited and I'm so happy for that. And yeah, guys, that's basically all about my first driving with the school. So the next video you guys are going to expect is my exam, the date of my exam, and yeah, if I passed, and again when our car is coming. So that's the another trade video, and again my first driving since I passed my exam. So I still have about 4 different types of video for you guys to watch, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I hope you guys like this update. Can I say it's an update? It's an update though, but I can't say it's update. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and also I think subscribe. Just subscribe down there, and of course I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.